Welcome to another stock market update. Today is February 20th, 2020. The market made another all-time high today with the S&P 500, the NASDAQ 100, and the NASDAQ Composite all closed with a new all-time high. This time around, the Dow Jones Industrial did not participate, along with the New York Stock Exchange Composite, the Dow Jones Transportation, and the Russell 2000. And look at the sentiment. Remember, we were talking about the put-call ratio last week, and we were saying if the market decides to rally back up, we probably will see this put-call ratio come back down, while the VIX is not elevated. So we probably see it come down a bit and maybe even come down to the 12 level. So we're going to wait and see if the market continues to rally up to a newer high, then we probably will see the VIX come down a little bit more. But you can see right now, today, the S&P 500 closed at 3386.15. That's another all-time closing high. And looking at the S&P 500 against the cumulative advanced decline, you can see here there is a little bit of a subtle divergence, negative divergence, as the S&P 500 made a new all-time high, but the advanced decline did not. You can see that it is lower than the high from last week, last Thursday. And looking at the new high, new low against the S&P 500, also it did not make a higher high, although that it is still positive, but it's only a positive by 195 more new high than new low, while the S&P 500 closed at a new all-time high. Looking at the NASDAQ 100 against the cumulative advanced decline, you can see that negative divergence continue, while the NASDAQ 100 continue to print new closing high. And here also the new high, new low. It did not make a higher high, although it did trend a little bit higher than the previous all-time high, although there are 222 more new high than new low, while the NASDAQ 100 closed at a new all-time high today. And here looking at the cash index of the S&P 500, you can see today it kind of printed a little bit of a topping candle here with a shooting star, a small little shooting star. It gapped up today. So it's still trying to make its way to that 3,400 that we are talking about, and possibly get up to these confluence here and move up to the upper channel. But with the way it looks right now, we might see a little bit chop here on the sideway, or a little bit more pullback before it make another push up. And here looking at the dollar, the US dollar index, remember we were talking about that breaking this high here to the 99.40 to 99.50 area, and today it closed at 99.48. And also we're keeping an eye on the century mark, the 100 level. So most likely it's probably going to try to hit that and get up to this upper channel trend line. In crude oil, we're talking about a possible, look below and fail type of a trade, and basically is the right out. And essentially, we're talking about, putting a stop right underneath below this low here, and essentially play it up to possibly get back up to the $60 area. So right now, it seems like it is heading up that way, on this way to 60 until it tells us otherwise. And here's gold. Gold is continue to trend up to these 1647. And we're essentially saying if we could hold up above this 1566.20, then we'll continue to look for gold to make its way up to this major move somewhere around 1743 area. Let's go and take a look at Tesla and NIO. Here looking at NIO, you see NIO, we were talking about that you have to maintain the $4 level. If it could hold up that $4 level, then we could see it maybe make another move and try to reclaim that IPO low at 535. So right now it's been chopping around this area and seems to be able to find some support around this $4 area. And also the other thing is I essentially have a Fibonacci retracement here. And here's the retracement zone. So you can see that it came up and pull back into the zone, kind of chopping around, try to get above this 618. So if it could get move up above this 4.48, then maybe there's a good possibility it could come up and try to tag this 535, the IPO low. And looking at Tesla, you can see Tesla have been gapping the last couple of days on the open. And today there was a analyst raised the price target, and that put the stock up again for FOMO to go and chase. So right now today it's been a little bit of a bearish type of spinning top. So I wouldn't be surprised if maybe we see a little bit of a pullback and possibly fill this gap before we make another run toward this high at 968.99. Keep an eye on this 1,000 level. I think this 1,000 level is going to get tagged. Would it come down here and then push up, or would it just go and push? So we'll keep an eye on Tesla. Certainly, Tesla will have a lot of the skeptic kind of shaking their head right now, and I won't be surprised to see this 1,000 get breached fairly soon. So that is today's quick run-up on the stock market and on Tesla and NIO. If you have any question, a comment, a suggestion, post them in the comment section below. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and help me smash the YouTube algorithm, and also click on the subscribe if you'd like to see more of these videos. Thank you for watching, and good luck on your trading.